Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Budget and Savings with B. I'm Vonda Shourn, and on today's episode, Dallas flood of 2022, how to rebuild after the aftermath. My heart goes out to you guys. I am in Houston, Texas, and we have definitely had our fair share of these type of storms and floods. So my heart, prayers, and condolences go out to you guys. I did hear about some fatalities, so I definitely am here with you in spirit. I do want to drop some gems for you guys so that this can help you, because I know that your mind is all over the place, your anxiety is through the roof, and I know you have a lot of things going on. So definitely take some good notes, screenshots, or just come back here and keep replaying this video so that you can know what to do, okay? Number one, you are gonna call that insurance company faster than you don't know what, because you have been paying that insurance company all these years, and unfortunately but fortunately, it is time to contact them and let them know what's going on. But I'm sure they are aware of what's going on because they have been inundated with phone calls, okay? So definitely give them a call. All right, let me just give you some tips, guys, because this happened to me in less than 90 days ago. So I want your process to go faster, because you did survive a flood. Parts of my house did flood, so it wasn't like the whole house, but I did lose thousands of dollars in items. So while you're filling out a claim, that is what you do first. While you're waiting, for another phone call or for the next step, the next step is an insurance adjuster to contact you. They're going to contact you. They're going to set up an appointment to come out and do an inspection and get photographs of your house. While you're waiting for them, you yourself can go ahead and take photographs, because sometimes if they're really busy and inundated with tons of phone calls, it could be days. So my point is that if your items have been in a flood, then that means they're mildewed. They're starting to turn colors, and I don't want you to get sick, okay? So, because my house had an odor, I thought I was gonna have to evacuate, but this is not about me. I'm just trying to help you guys. I'm here for you. Go ahead and take pictures of it, front, back, and side. Make sure that you get the brand, okay? Because they're gonna do a Google search and they're gonna give you the value of something comparable. But if you can show the brand, the make and model of something, then that will definitely help you increase the value or the money that you will be getting back, okay? Take some videos too. Some things, like what I did was things that were heavily soggy, I put them in trash bags, okay? The adjuster already knows what their job is, so they will come in with a mask on. They will come in with gloves on. But I set the things in trash bags. If you have a lot of things and you don't want them to, touch each other or however, you can label, the trash bag. So that'll help you guys out, because the more organized and more prepared you are, the faster this process is going to go, and the faster you can have that moolah back in your hand, okay, to help you rebuild, because that's what this video is all about, helping you rebuild your life. After that, they're going to take videos and photos, and then they're going to upload them to your adjuster. And after that, they're going to email you and ask you to create a profile on their website, and then you're going to list all the items. Now, I know that listing part is no fun, okay? But the more you are accurate, the more you list, that determines how much you get. So if you jumbo things up and not being thorough and accurate and detailed, then it's not going to be favorable, okay? But I want you to take your time, and I want you, to be as accurate as possible. List everything, okay? List everything that you lost, that's wet, that drowned or was inundated by water. List it. All that adds up, and or if you don't, when you go shopping to rebuild, things are, they are through the roof. So you definitely want to list everything, because again, if you bought those things previously, then you're not going to get the same value as something is today. So it is a big price increase difference from what things are. So definitely list everything. Take your time and list everything slowly, okay? I can't stress that enough, because these prices are ridiculous. I'll give you one small example. I bought a luxury car, I would say about 8 to 10 years ago. Got a good price. I went to look for cars. When I went, but I actually looked online about 2 days ago. The same luxury vehicle is now that one is $20,000 more. But just a standard regular car that I thought was 20 is now 30. So my point is, everything has spiked drastically. So please write everything down, take plenty of thorough videos and plenty of pictures, front, back, and side to side, okay? That's all. I'm just trying to help, because I definitely know how you're feeling, because again, like I said, I was in the same position less than 90 days ago. Make arrangements to get the cleanup started, because you don't want mold setting up. You know, you and your family have to come back to your house, and you just don't want that to get into your lungs and create a worse problem, okay? So definitely contact someone, cleanup companies. Google some in your area. A lot of times they will be coming in your area. Sometimes some cities, have some rescue teams that volunteer. But if you see that that's not starting to happen, just go ahead and make arrangements and get the cleanup started, so you can start to rebuild your life, okay? Find a contractor in your area with experienced water damage, okay? Because if you find a contractor, yeah, it's fine, but you need someone that is experienced with water damage, because you don't want that contractor, because you got to think about, this is water. So now, your outlets have been inundated with water, and this can go from a little problem to a big problem if he does not, or she does not have experience with water. That brings me to my next point. Hire a contractor, but hire one that is a licensed, electrical contractor, because electrical deals with electrical. That means they specialize with the outlets, and they can handle those. They'll know what to go turn off. They'll know how to handle things. We don't want to make a small problem now a big problem, because this person don't know what they're talking about or know what they're doing. So it's a big difference from being a regular contractor versus an electrical one, and a licensed one. Make sure you look up their license. Make sure you look them up on Better Business Bureau, because you're trying to rebuild your house, not make something worse. Also read their reviews. Read their reviews and see, what they got going on. Okay? Hire a HVAC specialist. That's heating and cooling, because the water could have gotten, or probably did, because again, you guys in Dallas got over 9 inches. So I'm definitely thinking that the heating and cooling systems, got some water damage. So hire that person. Again, make sure they are licensed. Make sure you read their reviews. Take it one step further and look on the Better Business Bureau website to see if they have any complaints, because we are just trying to get repaired, get rebuilt, and restart our life. If you did not know, month 8, which that's the month this is in the current time of recording this, that means new beginnings. Okay, guys? So, this flood may have washed away old things, and you are starting with new things. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. Turn the post notification on, because I post every day. Drop videos at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, much love to you guys in Dallas. My heart is with you guys. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.